This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chip Landers. Charming 2022 home with fenced yard and impact glass hurricane protection. This brightly lit home features an open floor plan, giving the feel of spaciousness. Enjoy the planked tile flooring throughout the home, granite counters, stainless appliances and white cabinets in the kitchen. The split air conditioner system in the one-car garage offers versatility for crafts or projects. Keep your lawn lush with the sprinkler system. County water is included. No HOA fees or rules, perfect to bring your boat for endless adventures. Low insurance is possible due to the age of the home. For more information, review the details below.